Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation here, which is 5 to the power of x minus 2. This is equal to 120. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. This exponential equation is in the form of a to the power of n minus m, which we can express as a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 5 to the power of x divided by 5 to the power of 2. This is equal to 120. So the next step is to multiply both signs by 5 to the power of 2. So that now, here we have 5 to the power of x. This is equal to 120 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2. The next step to solve for x here, we introduce logarithm on both sides such that we have log 5 to the power of x. This is equal to log 120 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2. Now, log 5 to the power of x, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which can be expressed as n log a. Now, applying this power rule property, then log 5 to the power of x becomes x log 5. This is equal to log 120 times 5 to the power of 2. So let's divide both signs by log 5. So let's divide here by log 5. So log 5 and log 5 simplifies here, so that we have x is equal to, this is log 120 times 5 to the power of 2 divided by log 5. Now, the next step is that log 120 times 5 to the power of 2, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then we have x is equal to, this is log 120 divided by log 5, then plus, here we have log 5 to the power of 2 divided by log 5. Now the next step is that we can express 120. This is the same thing as 24 multiplied by 5. So here we have x is equal to, this is log 24 multiplied by 5 divided by log 5, then plus, this is log 5 to the power of 2 divided by log 5. Now, log 24 times 5, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which can express as log a plus log b. So this means we have x here equal to log 24 divided by log 5, then plus log 5 divided by log 5, then plus, here we have log 5 to the power of 2 becomes 2 log 5 divided by log 5. Now, let's simplify log 5 and log 5 here, which is 1, and then log 5 and log 5 again here, which is 1, so that now x here is equal to 1 plus 2, this is 3, plus log 24 divided by log 5. Now, we can express 24. This is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3 times 3. So therefore, x here is equal to 3 plus, now we have log 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 divided by log 5. So now here we have x equal to 3, then plus, we can express log 2 to the power of 3 times 3 as log 2 to the power of 3 divided by log 5, then plus log 3 divided by log 5. Now, applying the power rule property here, log 2 to the power of 3 becomes, so here we have 3 log 2 divided by log 5, then plus log 3 divided by log 5. So now, log 2 over log 5 or log 3 over log 5, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So let's apply this logarithm property. Now applying this logarithm property, then we have that x is equal to, this is 3 plus 3, this is log 2 to base 5, then plus log 3 to base 5. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. And the next step from here is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. So let's verify from here. Now, if you recall, we entered 5 to the power of x subtract 2. This should give us a value of 120. Let's substitute x so that we have 5 to the power of 3 plus 3. This is log 2 to base 5, then plus log 3 to base 5. Subtract 2. This should give us a value of 120. Now, here we have 5 to the power of 3 minus 2. This is 1. Then plus. Now, 3 is a power here, so we can express this as log 2 to the power of 3, then to base 5, then plus log 3 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 120. So we have 5 to the power of 1 plus log 2 to the power of 3 to base 5 plus log 3 to base 5. This is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which can be expressed as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, then we have 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of log 2 to the power of 3, then to base 5, multiplying by 5 to the power of log 3 to base 5. This should give us a value of 120. Now, the next step is that we have 5 multiplying by 5 raised to the power of log 2 to the power of 3 to base 5, and 5 to the power of log 3 to base 5. This is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a, which is equal to b. Applying this logarithm property, then we have here, this is 5 multiplying by 5 to the power of log 2 to the power of 3 to base 5. This is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3, and this is equal to 8. And 5 to the power of log 3 to base 5, this is equal to 3. So this means we have 5 times 8 times 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 120. So we have that 5 times 8, this is 40. 40 times 3, this is equal to 120, which is equal to 120. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this proves that the value of x here, which is equal to 3 plus 3 log 2 to base 5 plus log 3 to base 5 satisfies the equation. So thank you for watching. Kindly follow the steps, like this video, and please subscribe. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.